First of all, welcome to our video to bring you the best products on the market. We have compiled the best portable blenders, including personal and cordless models. Number 7. Best Cordless BlenderX Cordless Portable Blender. You may not like traveling with this product much because it is heavier than other blenders, but it is one of the more powerful personal blenders and is great for both the office and home. The fact that it's battery-powered and totally cordless is another added boon for anyone who is looking for a super simple and streamlined design. The base has non-slip feet to prevent skidding and sliding as you blend, and the 20-ounce cup is larger than many, great if you're whipping up smoothies for 2. It just bears mentioning that it's definitely more expensive than others, and it also isn't intended for use with hot liquids, so pass on this one if you make more soups than smoothies. Number 6. Most powerful NinjaFit Personal Blender. This Ninja is super sleek, so it fits in any bag or on a sliver of countertop, but it still packs enough power to get the job done with a 700-watt motor. Indeed, the wattage, while it falls short of the 1200 watts of our overall best pick, is notably higher than the other portable blenders on this list, which is great if you need to regularly pulverize lots of ice or frozen fruit. The cups, lids, and blade are all dishwasher safe, a major win since the cups have some nooks and crannies around the edges that can make them hard to clean otherwise. Just keep in mind that the design requires you to hold down the cup the entire time it's blending, as there's no locking function. Number 5. Best Compact BlendJet 2 Portable Blender. The BlendJet is really loved because it is light and you drink from the blender immediately, so there is no more than one thing that you need to rinse. It's great for travel or as a spare blender to have at the office. To that point, it's even cordless and charges with a USB. An hour-long charge yields about 15 blends. It's also one of the more stylish portable blenders we've seen, available in a wide array of fun colors and patterns that are anything but basic. While this version is 5 times more powerful than the original BlendJet, some may still find it a little too weak to crush lots of ice or really get things super smooth. It also shouldn't go in the dishwasher. Number 4. Best Multitasking NutriBullet 11-piece blender set. While you will need to clear out some cabinet space for the 11 different components that come with this set, it does greatly expand your blending horizons. So if you're looking for an option that can make more than just smoothies, this is the one. What the NutriBullet lacks in simplicity, it makes up for in versatility, with the ability to whip cream, chop chunky salsa, and of course, blend up a smoothie. You don't need any other knife skills when you have one of these. Credit the fact that it comes with 2 different blade attachments. Anyone who is in a creative cooking rut will appreciate that this blender comes with a recipe book for extra inspo. Just FYI, while the cups there are 2 included are top rack dishwasher safe, the rest of the pieces aren't. Number 3. Best for Travel Cokunst Portable Blender. Sure, it may be a little extra to pack a blender in your suitcase, but this pick is so compact and portable that you'll barely know it's there. Because it's both smaller and battery-powered, it's easy to pack and use almost anywhere. He also calls out the extremely affordable price, and despite how affordable it is, he still checks all blender cans. It has 6 stainless steel blades and a 20,000 RPM motor, which give it plenty of blending power, and an easy one-touch on and off feature. You can recharge it with a USB-C cable. One charge does take about 3 hours, although there are helpful indicators on the blender base that indicate how much battery power is left, ensuring that you'll never be surprised with it dying out unexpectedly. And while it comes with an included brush cleaner, you can also pop the cup in the dishwasher. Number 2. Best Budget Swiitol Personal Blender. Ringing in at less than $30, this personal blender will cost you less than 2 smoothies at a fancy juice bar. It comes with 2 cups, both with airtight travel lids specially designed to prevent spills. A one-touch design makes it easy to operate. 2. Although it only has a 300-watt motor, it seems that it is still powerful enough for all your daily mixing needs. In addition, the fact that both the cups and the knife can be passed through the dishwasher, it is easy to clean, makes your job easier. Number 1. Best overall, NutriBullet Pro Plus Single-Serve Blender. Portable blenders and NutriBullet are somewhat synonymous at this point, as the brand offers several different options. This particular model is the best choice for a doctor who is a board-certified naturopathic doctor, weight management, and anti-aging specialist. She raves about how high-powered it is and its ability to pulverize superfoods worth adding to your smoothie, such as chia seeds, Brazil nuts, and leafy greens. Indeed, it has a 12-watt motor, making it much stronger than most portable blenders. Also nice, a pre-programmed function with an automatic shutoff, and the fact that it comes with 2 different sizes of cups, both with travel lids. It also takes up very little space on the countertop and is very easy to clean. There is also a pulse feature as an extra. It seems that this is great for whipping pesto, chimichurri, and other sauces where you want to be able to control the texture. Are portable blenders worth it? If you're regularly making smoothies, soups, or sauces, then yes. These can be a much more affordable alternative to traditional blenders, and they will save space in your kitchen, too. Glad I was able to help you. Thanks for watching the video. Please specify other models that are important to you in the comments.